Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Isato chia butokire chia bono botuko mwanchu murigeria mbia mona soko gendra kwego kyane miruberia gendreta sembeo Nensoko TV na bona senchira bene na kwari gandria SMSM yakuru soko chinsa isato tosange na kumanya naria ya aenekiwe asubutuko bweganchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi aseli bagalia batoko chia kubwatira na barabo botuko bwadero kuru ase studio yakabere kwene kyamarigine chibicha na chikugo chira senchirengia togo sabiro karansoike tonyarko batoko kumanya kurbono wika omweria mesema yakuru soko chinsa isato achakirabon. Karibu sana mwanchu murigeria bono tuguchakana roboti rukobwatia hasa banyagitari abateresa niko bono bagosereire gochigo chako mugirobo chitariki 23 chomotyenyoiga erituko ria Jumaine onya serikali wetera se wizara yobochenu terigo chiako ene kya goikirania amagani abo buna baganeti aniga gocha mega yabara gotega nigo baikiranire okoigwana kurende ese yomo waziri we wizara yobochenu yokayatigire gochiako ene kya buno koigwana kwabo baikiranete ngoikirana koda senchira yaben.
But to our surprise, after completing this negotiation with the Minister of Health for the last 3 months, the Minister for Health, that is Honorable Duale, has not been able to be available to be able to put out to append his signature on the same document. So the matter that is making us to be able to delay is just the absence of the signature of Waziri. So as we approach this day, because today we are just remaining with 4 days to the day that our national-wide strike will be beginning, we want to ask the Minister for Health, that is Honorable Duale, and his team to be able to come on the table and so that they can be able to at least make the strike not to be able to proceed.
That we gave 21 days with the expectation that if there is goodwill from the employer, they will call us, we sit down, sign the CBA with the Minister of Health and also finalize the CBA with the Council of Governors, or even agree otherwise by virtue of on how to address our grievances, because that has not happened and we now have less than 7 days remaining. We must make it very clear that on 23rd at night Mugomo itaanza. We will start a national strike that will affect all county government hospital and all national referral hospitals.
Comrades, power! Power! Solidarity! Forever! Solidarity! Forever! Viva Matabibu, viva! Viva! Viva Matabibu, viva! Viva!
Kuskabusio mwanchu murgere kiombe ketendre toba sombi no kubwate okoma chikase chipara kya NTSA orosagi oro South Nyanza nokuragwono motendri borosagi oro adana dogo niko botkubo kera rero baenekia obonyabyo botindi konekia kubabeka byara bali bonsi batari kubwate amachiko yechipara chinga kechigame basokane menge yaberege konekiwa na koirira abananchi abange abagendrete konekia chisabari bunenchire muyogo chikira nase chinga cyabo ochingira umuyoga bwesu gukuna kuwarigani umwaka umuya abatendri abo niko bono batebire niko baracheko gendre mirobero yo edinde go cheko ni kya batume kibonsi bechipara nkubwati baramachiko bune bwentrete.
Tuko hapa kwa kuhakikisha kwamba tunawafikia, tunaangalia mambo yenye inahusiana na Traffic Act na NTSA Act kwa jumla. Hii ni msimu wa Krismasi, ni msimu wa watu kutembeleana, wapenda nao, na tunafanya kazi yetu kulingana na sheria, na pia tungeomba madereva wetu na wasafiri kwa jumla wakuwe waangalifu.
Sasa ninaenda Nairobi napata nimefungiwa. Sijui shida ni gani. Ni sisi tumekoza, ni driver amekoza, nafaa kufika Nairobi naenda kasi kesho. Tafanya aje? Umekaa kwa muda gani? Nimekaa almost 1 hour. Nashindwa shida ni gani inaendelea huku. Na gari ya Nyamira sijaiona ikiwa na shida, lakini leo nimepatana zimekaliwa. Hatujui chenye inaendelea huku.
Na driver wako
driver ako na amesema hajui chenye kinaendelea, anasema management iangalie. Sasa sisi management na sisi tunaingilia wapi? Yeye management wanafaa kujipanga mapema. Napata sisi huku ndio tumekadiwa. Na kesho tunafaa kuingia kasi.
Tukuskabasyo mwanchumo higeria higati ya barai animono kurua sense media yo kwamiria serikali niko bono bae sokire na komoche serikali ya Kenya Kwanza insio barai bwae William Ruto hasebono ba mochire merobirio higandate koneki waso mwananchi au mbigwe aso ikiraniwa kwa magandra sebono ba musabira nyara ko bakago ikirania chira chai echa waliere tabananchi hekera swetabis.
Tulipopiga kura tuliambiwa shinda ilikuwa wale walikuwa yule alikuwa tunabandilisha tuweke yule karibu na maskini, hata ikapewa jina naitwa nini, hasla, na tukaambiwa philosophy ya hasla ni bottom up, tituanze chini tukienda wapi? Kama vile ile serikali hiyo mnaambiwa ya Singapore, prime minister wao alikuwa anaitwa Lee Kuan Yew, yule alianza Singapore, aliweka ndani ministers wake wale walikuwa wezi. Sasa unaambia watu wapeleka Singapore na kwa serikali yako ni uporaji tu imenjaa. Kwani unawapeleka wakiwa juu ya wheelbarrow?
Bwana Ruto alisema nyuma ya siku 100 akiweka Biblia chini analeta mashine mpya hapa Nzoia. Alisema hakusema? Alisema nyuma ya siku 100 atalipa wakulima wote walioleta miwa Nzoia. Akasema wafanyikazi wote watalipwa. Alisema hakusema? Si mnaumia kama Wakenya wengine? Alisema kina mama, haswa mama mboga, atawainua watoke chini, bottom waenda wapi? Up. Ile sasa imeongezeka, ile imeenda juu ni ushuru.
Utikata sengane yo mwanchumo ligere yo mraibu kiama ya Safina Party Mheshimiwa Jimmy Wanjigi nere nigaro kandre komocha serikali ya Kenya Kwanza sogo taikirania chira echia yere tabananchi kero yare kuri yago swabisi mwaka bwechirubere merongabere naibere asebono Mheshimiwa Wanjigi hasabiro mraibu ensanya rakoba kago ikirania chira chionsi ataranya rakoba kobeka hemirobero yo kobeka chira echichire chinya.
I want to ask my president, because he's our president and he did a very good job. Let's give him a clap. He contributed a lot of money for this cathedral. He has started an agenda which is very good. He has brought what is called agenda politics. Agenda politics. Yani, the politics of the issues of each and every one of us. Na anasema, in the future, tutaona first world. Sindio? And those are good dreams. In the future, tutaona Singapore. Very good dreams. The other day, alisema, kuna wengine hata barabara zao kwa kwenda nyumbani, angalia kwa internet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today, when I was coming here, when I was Googling all these numbers, nika Google the promises, and Deputy Governor, you know you are part of that government. Nika Google the promises ya Kenya Kwanza government in 2022. There are 259. Now, if you Google, you'll find a site called Mzalendo Tracker. 259. Of those promises, only 19 have been done. Wanasema that is an equivalent of 7%. Mmeshika hiyo? Now governor, deputy governor, kwa sababu wewe hiyo ni serikali yenu. You have 598 days left to the general election of 2027. Before you start telling us mambo ya Singapore na sijui first world, simuanushe hii kitu from 7% even to 20%, then you start telling us about another future.
Pancho Morgaria noto ikomoria sense mentangani ya maya kurensoko chinsa isatobot ko bwadra toskare kurenanda sege kagetari getambe asense moya kaberto ganrogwe semyama.
Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Omwancho mulire gw'Ensoko TV omwaka ogigabo 2025 nigo bairo omwaka omuya gocha asetole nasole bunaye omuliro lwito toko gwakaranga mbiyamo sana asenge ncho yoko tachora na gotoligereria chinga kichansi ekaroto gutikoso ase emeyega yega Yesu guku nigo tukusabira Christmas yekia no mwaka omuya.
Omukubyo neritwo abayigenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetira amatera amansu ibibungo naboigo amarandia imegata seni Ensoko TV tochikumirana kera ritwo rya Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 chamambia weka chinsa inye zinyare komotogia omunguru naboigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Ensoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Kurwa sebiguruma cyane asogosemere kugutuka. Ingaki abande bagucingire ngeria yebigeri byabo abande nebirero no kwengerecha bali
amani tuwachani kiobole miobe myake menge abakachironi etu imogeti tukaira abani chi school tosemere tinga konyotore be bonasi tuakane pamdo chironi
soboro bogwa kanwengeria enke
anyago bima chai no ego chaga iga ya umorunse iga bali miboni iga etobwa to boraiti bwoko ria so bimere cha ya ito oso togore baminto tuachane kire myake menge ngaki
na sike kemerikirikiria gekorente ngeria etabuikaine
mabara iji factory echi no boy p ayo baby yes mo toma yeti boy bono sabu kie munda do kongiranga omba edo moima njota le ni director obo ili bota tenere tima ni ndara ni director gongo chakando ba mitoro mugu oma edo
nyorali chiburyaya kurwa somurikito Innocent Onyango ime yomurobelyo bw'amatabere n'enkoro y'obururu kitariki 22 cy'umutinyo yo 12 bw'umwaka oyo bw'ikirwa 2025 ime Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umuguse amaruyiri nigagendrete gutose mwana boire bukia tali Yesu sera ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yan blood pressure ninki turakore wetanga kuri wasare nyorali chibu asomurobelyo bubugima nobo cheno asora bego kumeni wanabanyegitari bamaruyire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatunge tyobo cheno kumurikira maruyire nobo wenia nyoro murobelyo bubugima nobo cheno na Caroline Mausa kirali tukule Jumatatu chinsa iberi chabutuko ime Ensoko TV oboroso umugusi.
Dad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Prospero año. Beke mo mancho murigalya Ensoko TV kwa beiro mwege no asitore kwa nyaka bago gusangama na intwe gesato gachagete gitseni Ensoko TV to beiro to koretera mangana magia nabo igemero bere ayo kogokya goseme nabo yo kumanya chinsa na 25 matuko na bere wiki chinga kechiga chemeya Yesu guku no to kwaneria otware esu kwengia nabono ekrato gotambuka ocho mwaka 2026 nigo to kwaneria omwako muyebwo murembe na masine chini gongoro kwa Pepuel Machino
magega ya televishoni ya nsoko gwikasero yao kwanyoriribaga ligi yaliokuraria asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeriroba liagusi onye kubwa tukuraria gukwenyuria ogukwa gose okubonchuria bono na bokonyoribaga lya bene liokuraria asegete senieke asoriguri liakibusani turikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobonchuria 0788 66 66 62. Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Mwanchumurigaria karibu sana sense mega ya kabere ya mayakuru ensoko chinsa isatombi ya mwana soko gandrago sanga na intwe na bono toguska bosio asorobotiru kubwatia umwishimiwa Johnston Muthama huyo kabero mo governor wa county ya Machakos nigo esokire na gukwandira kugani ukororo kwa babwata ni kurua sense media ya ukambani ngocha baramo bunenchiremo yogo chiakoenekia kweroberia senchirengia soba choyo bonne bori bosio mwaka bwechiri bubere Merongebere na isano na ibere hasebono hasabiru murai Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka huyora sensemeria yo kwameria serikali kwenekia bunankobekare mirobere yo kubwaterana ne serikali ile orongoro rochikonyora amagendra buna chinse mochinda.
Nyinyi mnasikia hawa viongozi hapa wakisema oh fulani amesema kiti chetu. Fulani amesema kiti chetu. Ndugu zanguni na dada zanguni, waacheni niwaambie, yule mtu anatamka haya maneno aliingia ndani ya serikali ya Ruto, akajaribu kutoa Ruto, akashindwa, mtuzi akampika teke, akaenda nje, sasa anatafuta mbinu nyingine ya kumtoa Ruto. Na shida ni hii, baada ya yeye kuangalia na kuona hawezi kutoa Ruto, sasa sikia nikwambie na ninarudia, baada ya yeye kuangalia na kuona hawezi kutoa Ruto, ametafuta kafara sadaka ambaye anataka kumleta ashindwe na Ruto ndio yeye apone apite, angojee 2032. Mimi nawaambia huyu jamaa wetu na nini anatolewa kafara ili akutane na Ruto, Ruto amwangushe, ndio mwenye kumpeleka mbele 2032, aje kwa hii jamii awaambie 2027 nilisaidia mtu wenu akufaulu, sasa nipatieni kura. Na ndio sababu mimi ninamuona akiwa 18 na mimi namwambia wanaye na mtume utachenga wengine, lakini ukifika kwangu upiti na hiyo mboli, nitapita na wewe.
Manchumurigaria soroboti rondo mwaziri omonene aiga Kenya Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi niga koletaro ya bene goikasenka yanyagosira Cyrus Jirongo yunyarakoba gosiro bogima bwaya matuka makego aetire gwetira somo basoka no mobebwe para asanya rakoba gosanga ni amate ya yasenka ya iga somo chu Nairobi na bego kubaremia asayene kire buna serikali nigega ndrete kobeka emeroberio yogo chakone ke buna nkobwate siere ya mate yo na bege komite kora emeroberio ya matangae nga emeroberio ne chukira na senchirengia Mheshimiwa Cyrus Jirongo yore nyagosira niga matangae harobere go chakone ki wase chitarike chira chekorariwa ni amate ya yasa matuko ale bosio. Tuska bosio mwanchu murigeria mwaziri otenete keganche kenene aiga Kenya Mheshimiwa John Mbadi niga watokire ujumbe gochia saba Kenya yoko baganiria humoyego muya bwesu kuna bwego kwariga ni mwako muya o 2026 Mheshimiwa Mbadi ni gobono ayegenderere kwigerera emiroberio ya serikali hande mono ikiganche kenene asokoria gwikirania hemiroberio yokwanekia magendero ngwikirana arase chinsemo chionsi asatebire hase budget yo mwaka hogocha omuya nigo wizara yaye yabekire nsemo chibesa kirache gokonya gwikirania gatia magendero nabo kwenekia uchumi yensenko genderera senchiringia.
So fellow Kenyans, as we gather with our families and loved ones during this Christmas season and holidays, we are reminded that the greatest gifts are not material gifts. This is a period of hope, this is a period of compassion, and it is a period of togetherness, coming together. We have faced a lot of challenges in the course of the year, but this reassures us that we are a resilient people, that we are a country which is committed, that from all villages we have been working together as a country, and we have upheld the fabrics, the social fabric of this country. I know, and it is my belief, that when we stand together, when we move forward together, then we will achieve a lot together. And this Christmas holiday is another period of reflection. We need now to step back a bit and ask ourselves, what is it that we were not able to achieve in 2025, which going to 2026 we may achieve in a better way. As we do all this, we must remember that this is also the period where we lose the majority of Kenyans on our roads. I would appeal to all motorists to take care, be careful, drive with caution and care so that we can protect lives. Let's not be exhausted in our driving. Let's make sure that we maintain our sanity during this period. As we move to 2026, it is my hope that it will be a better year for Kenya, even as we move towards 2027 election. From the National Treasury perspective, we will do what it takes to help even now move our economy forward. We have stabilized it. Now what we need to do is just to give it a leap, give it a jump to move to the next level. Thank you very much. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy 2026. Thank you.
Mancho murigeria huikiragwo no tuikira omwerio gwemesa mayakuru ensoko chinsa isato naboigo omwerio gwemesa ya mayakuru ensoka seri tukeriga rie sabato riarenge rie merongevera somutinyu 12 mwaka bwechirubere merongevere ne tano nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi ngokugandiro twarobo tukobya abogandira kwego kenemero beriagendreta sembeo ye ensoko TV hasiri bagari abambo atasyo botukobware Joshua Nyauma Felicitas Kabendi na Brian Achaka tumira na sembeo nyasaye kawanja.